What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the two wheel selections that I'm looking at for the STI. The wheel selection that I'm going for right now is going to be kind of like a cheaper option that I'm looking at, because the wheels that I currently have on the car obviously aren't to spec with the flares, and they're also not my wheels. These are actually Marco's wheels, so I want to get these off the car as soon as possible. That way I'm not wasting the tread on his tires. The two wheels that I'm looking at are the Enki RPF 1s and MST Suzukas. In today's video, what I'm going to be doing is comparing the RPF 1s with the Suzukas, and then we're going to talk about the pros and cons of each individual wheel. Now keep in mind throughout this entire video that these wheels that I'm going to choose, either the RPF 1s or the Suzukas, I'm only going to be using in the winter time. So it's kind of like I want to be still good fitment in the winter time, so that's what I'm doing with those wheels. I'm not going to actually use them in the summer or use them for any type of track use. So first off, guys, wheel specs. The Suzukas come in an 18 by 11 plus 15. The RPF 1s come in an 18 by 10.5 plus 15, and they're both 5 by 114.3. Now this is kind of where we get into the pros and cons of everything. I have a 2004 STI, which means I still have the 5 by 100. So until I do the conversion to 5 by 114, I'm gonna have to run a 15mm adapter that converts from 5 by 100 to 5 by 114. Essentially, this won't be a problem with either wheel because it will fit nicely with the flares. It's not until I get rid of the adapters and I actually do the conversion. So with the MST Suzukas, I will have no problem clearing Brembos after the conversion. With the RPF 1s, I would still have to run a spacer afterwards to clear the Brembos. So that's kind of like one con for the RPF 1s and one pro for the Suzukas. Now, a pro for the RPF 1s and a con for the MST Suzukas is the RPF 1s weigh roughly about 18 pounds each when it comes to those specs, and the Suzukas weigh about 25 pounds each when it comes to those specs. So obviously I am a little worried about weight, but then again I think, well, I'm only going to be using these in the winter time, so weight won't really matter when it comes to that. Now another difference is the RPF 1s go for about $1,500 just for the wheels, and the Suzukas go for about $800, I believe. So if I were to go with the Suzukas, I would get wheels and tires for the price that I'm paying for the RPF 1s, and then if I just went with RPF 1s, I'd be paying $1,500, and then maybe add like another $400 or $500 for tires. Right now I am leaning more towards the Suzukas just because of like how they'll fit. I'll clear Brembos once the conversion is done. They're cheaper. I'm not going to be using them for the track or anything, so that's kind of what I'm leaning towards. A lot of people out in the Subaru community have used these wheels, including Cars Barnes, Sean Stees, DPJ, STI. So there's a lot of people out in the Subaru community who have used these wheels, and they look fantastic. They look almost identical to RPF 1s, except these I think look a tiny bit better just because it has a bigger lip. It has kind of more of a deep dish look. The only thing is, I think the RPF 1s have like a better black finish. Another thing we have to keep in mind as well is if I go with the Suzukas, I will be getting those in the next month or so. If I get the RPF 1s, I would have to save up for a long period of time to save up for those wheels and tires. I kind of wanted to bring this topic up to you guys, see what you guys think. Make sure to leave a comment down below. What do you think I should go for? Remember, keep in mind, I'm not using these wheels for anything track, anything whatever. I'm not really worried about weight because I'm not going to be racing in the winter time. So I'm kind of leaning towards the Suzukas, but you guys let me know what you think. In the future though, for sure, I'm going 3-piece wheels. Those will be ran in the summertime, and then whichever ones I choose out of these two, I'll be throwing on in the wintertime. So onto a more exciting note, guys. Today we actually hit 7,000 subscribers, which is awesome. You guys are great. The support that we get from you guys has just been incredible, and we can't thank you guys enough. For those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Danny. I run this YouTube channel with my friend Diego and Josh, and we also have two other friends that join us a lot, which is Marco and Nestor. But Diego has been searching for months and months and months, trying to find rare parts for his bug eye. He got the C-West side skirts, he got Moret headlights, got a ProDrive bumper, ProDrive grill, all these other things that he looked for. He finally got onto the car, and we took it down to LA about a month and a half ago to get a fresh new paint job. And I am so excited to announce and so just ecstatic that next video you guys see, we're gonna be picking up his car, revealing the new color, revealing something crazy that hopefully happens. I'm hoping it happens. If it does, it's gonna be absolutely crazy. But yeah, we are heading down on Tuesday of next week, so 4 days we're gonna be heading down, picking up his car, doing a full video on the reveal. It's gonna be so exciting, guys. It's crazy to think that, you know, just a year ago Diego had bought his first bug eye, and now to see it progress this much is just crazy. Hope you guys are excited. For those of you who have been here with us, I know you guys are. For those of you who just joined us, hopefully you guys are excited for this. It's gonna be crazy. The journey has only just begun. 2018 is gonna be a big year for us. Diego's new paint job, the wheels, the tranny swap that he's gonna do this summer, just all these crazy things happening this year. The STI is going for paint in the spring, also with wheels. We have Josh, who is gonna be doing more power mods, and then we still have Marco, who might invest in a new WRX, and Nestor, who's also gonna be doing power mods along with suspension mods, which is just crazy, guys. The thought of progressing this much and to think that we can keep going farther and farther is just unbelievable to me. So guys, we will catch you in the next one. Remember, the next video that you guys are watching will be the bug eye reveal, and it's going to be insane. Peace out.
That's it, Brian? Yes.